The Air Force Research Laboratory Detachment 7 at Edwards began a new phase of rocket testing with the delivery of an upper stage engine turbopump on September 8th. The pump is part of the Upper Stage Engine Technology Program, or USET, and it was delivered to the AFRL's upgraded 2A rocket test stand, where it will undergo a series of tests using liquid hydrogen.
The purpose of the USET program is to modernize upper stage engine components with modern manufacturing techniques, modern design methods. The original upper stage engines that are operating today were designed in the 50s and 60s, and they were all done with hand drawings and slide rules. So we're really taking advantage of computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing in order to create a new modern designed upper stage engine.
With the new modern design and the benefit of current technology, the turbopump is heavily instrumented to collect data more efficiently.
This particular pump, because it's a test article, we have over 135 instruments, and they measure temperature, pressure, flow rates, and vibration. All the wires from those instruments go to an interface panel, and that'll be connected to our test stand in our control room.
According to the Deputy Chief for the Space and Missile Propulsion Division, Dr. Sean Phillips, though small in size, the new turbopump can handle the job.
It looks pretty small, but actually it's about 4,000 horsepower. And so this is actually a key component and probably one of the most technically challenging components within a liquid rocket engine. This one would be typical of what you would see on an upper stage engine that would launch us into space.
Since its upgrade, the test stand can now accommodate the USET testing, and with the location at Edwards, it makes rocket testing ideal.
We're standing up here on Lumen Ridge, which is a great natural geological feature for us because for liquid rocket engines specifically, you want to be able to test in a down-firing position representative of an actual rocket. And so that gives us geographically an advantage of being on the ridge. We can build our test stands off the edge and point down. And another good feature of the desert is that it's dry. And a lot of these assets that were built back in the 60s for Apollo are still just as good today as they were when they were built.
The testing of the USET turbopump is scheduled to start in early November. Melissa Buchanan, Edwards Air Force Base, California.
This has been Dateline Edwards. If you have questions or comments, we'd like to hear from you. Please send us an email at channel.6@edwards.af.mil.